Hello, I'm Nathan Abrams. I teach film studies here at Bangor University. Um, as you can hear, I come from London. I'm not a native Welsh speaker. I decided to learn Welsh when I had my first child, Isabel, to give her more choice of schools, and she goes to Ysgol Garnedd, a Welsh school, as a consequence. Um, I learnt Welsh through the course Ulpan, and I did that for 2 years, and then jumped to the course Uwch, and I did a year of that, or less than no, just over a year of that, and then I now have one-to-one lessons every week with a Welsh tutor in the university. Um, my advice to learners would be is just to have confidence and try and speak to everyone, um, wherever you are, um, on the way to school, in work, at the gym. I try and speak Welsh when I play football, just to have an opportunity to practice, to learn new vocabulary, and to get used to different accents. That will be the hardest thing, I think, in Welsh. And how do I use Welsh at work? At the moment, I mainly use it to talk to colleagues, to send emails. Occasionally, I chat with students in Welsh, but I don't yet teach in Welsh, and that might be the aim one day. Thank you.